Hello and welcome to my terrible video, where I show you how to trick Salesforce into showing up to 50,000 records in a standard list view. First, go to the list view of your choice. It can be a recent something something default view. It should be a proper list view. And here you need to go into DevTools, which in Chrome is just right-click anywhere on the page and click Inspect. Next, expand the standard list view controller where you select the number of records per page, and now use selector on one of its values. Pick the last one. Here, find the rows per page variable and double click into the row to make it editable. Sometimes takes a couple double clicks. Change this number to whatever you want, up to 50,000, like I said, and press enter on the keyboard. And then go back to the window itself and select the option, and voila, it's gonna re-render the list view with all the records. And I'm being very generous with the word voila, because as you can see, it takes a lot of time to load. Din 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 din. I promise you it's gonna get there. Din 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 din. Oh my God, I'm gonna go take a nap. And I'm back. So, as you can see, it took about a minute to load all of this awesomeness, but it did it. So here it is. I don't have 50,000 records in this org, but I have 20, almost 25,000. So you can see it can't even render the whole list at points, but it's all in here, right in your browser tab. And the main goal, why would you want to do this, is to use search, because now you can use browser search and it will search through the whole page, all the visible fields of all the 25,000 records. See how many Johns I have here? Thousands probably. Yep, you see. So, and it just finds all of them. And I can scroll through them. See, still takes a while, but it's pretty manageable in my opinion. Also, if I were to have more than 50,000 records here, then I would see the pagination here, and I would be able to go to the next page, and the next page would have the next 50,000 records. Of course, it would have taken the same minute to load, but still, it's working. You can even change the sort order on the columns here, but it's gonna cause the whole table to re-render. So you might want to do this before you change the output to the 50,000 records. Yeah, let's not sit and wait for it. Just one last thing to mention here, that sadly this will not work for mass updates, because even if you do have a list view button here to do mass updates, Salesforce won't allow you to select more than 200 records at a time anyway. It's gonna throw an error. It's only gonna select the first 100 records, and that's it. And of course, all of this will go away if I refresh or reopen the page. I'll be back to the standard 200 records per page. And that's it. That's the end of my terrible video. Don't forget to dislike, report, and unsubscribe.